Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera 2 6-speed manual coupe. It is in the lovely speed yellow over black leather interior with sport seats. It has just over 113,000 miles. The IMS bearing has been addressed with the LN Engineering IMS Retrofit, which was installed at 108,000 miles. Overall, very nice shape on the outside. There is some curb rash on some of the wheels. Very minor wear on the outer driver bolster. Passenger seats very nice. Door cards, dash, steering wheel are all nice. Headliner's in good condition. There's your center stack, factory radio, hot heat, cold AC. 113, 166 miles today. Overall, a fantastic sorted example and a lovely rare color. So there you have it, our 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera 2.